Welcome to KNUTH Machine Tools, your reliable and quality machine tools provider. Today we present the SSB 70XN pillar drilling machine. This model is the flagship of the KNUTH column drills with its heavy design and high drilling capacity. In order to be able to use the high performance, value was placed on a particularly stable construction. Nevertheless, handling is easy and all controls are easily accessible and smooth running. The height of the large drill table is adjusted by a motor. For drilling at an angle, the table may be swiveled up to 45 degrees on both sides. T-slots arranged in a cross shape offer a wide range of clamping options. The fact that the table may be rotated makes it much easier to align the clamping device and workpiece. The drill foot also offers a large, precisely machined clamping surface. The tank and the pump for the coolant system are also integrated in the machine base to save space. The main gear has 12 gear stages and offers a wide, finely graduated speed range. Together with the powerful main spindle motor, this provides a high torque on the tool for any speed. The feed gear has 4 switching stages. A button directly on the turnstile switches the automatic quill feed on and off easily and conveniently. An electromagnetic clutch creates the power connection. The desired drilling depth may be selected electronically. The standard LED work light impresses with its long service life and large area illumination. The automatic feed switches off when the set drilling depth is reached. When the thread cutting function is activated, the direction of rotation of the quill is changed automatically. When drilling with manual feed, the drilling depth may be limited using a fixed stop that may be set very precisely. Here at KNUTH, we offer a large number of powerful drills in all sizes and performance classes, as well as extensive drill accessories. Contact your nearest KNUTH representative today to find out the best solution for your business.